Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Professor Manyora hena kaundu augite. Na niko ndenda tore kwa unani na tore maundu maria maumirite kuma last week. Manyora augite o ati Fred Matiang'i ne project ya Ruto. Matiang'i ne project ya Uhuru na still no project ya Raila Odinga. Nigwenda tore kwa undani uria kurathi na mbere na niguka to prove ati kuhota gukorwo neguo. Now, Manyora akauga thini wa video no ati Matiang'i ne project ya Ruto kugerera Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Na Uhuru oete Matiang'i egetha Matiang'i oke anine popularity ya Rigathi wa Gachagua thini wa Mount Kenya region. That Uhuru negete thini wa panic mode ati nyarona kingpin ya Mount Kenya region neguthi na mundu ungi na nerenda ku maintain iyo kingpin, so akare Matiang'i egetha oke oroyo wa Gachagua ko kingpin wa Mount Kenya disrupt because tatweria tiriri Matiang'i, let's be honest with each other, shema shobago na kule mundu mete nike Matiang'i aumete Kisii akaingira kiama kia Mount Kenya region. Kiama giki makiambia kampeni ciao mekobia thini wa Mount Kenya region niki igeti guka kweheria Gachagua thini wa mathafu makuko kingpin. Ugithikiria wega na ugiko wari very keen. Muthenya wa Friday higwa Uhuru aragia ndaugire ati na maumete Azimio, still they are in Azimio matiumete, so they are still working together with Raila. In a video ya Manyora,
Matiang'i is a project, first a project of Uhuru, and secondly a project of Ruto and Raila Odinga. Let me explain. That Matiang'i could be Uhuru's project so that Uhuru can deal with Gachagua. That if Uhuru doesn't do something, Gachagua will end up entrenching himself as the kingpin of the mountain at the expense of Uhuru Kenyatta and the Kenyatta family. And therefore, you need to bring in Matiang'i to disrupt Gachagua's march to the top of Mount Kenya. A project for Ruto and Raila through Uhuru Kenyatta. To mean, therefore, that Uhuru Kenyatta will be ganging up with Raila Odinga and Ruto to face the united opposition.
Guys, oguo neguo kuona. Ucio ne Professor Manyora, a political analyst, na Manyora still ni wakuma Korea mwena wa Githii, if I'm not wrong. Now, kwina maundu maiganona megwikika na ndenda kugeria proof ati Matiang'i ahota gukora project ngina ya Raila. Hena maundu mahota gwikika, ladies and gentlemen. Tugiakinya mwaka wa 27 ni kuhuthiire Jubilee ino Matiang'i araingirire mahota gusaina MOU na UDA tukaingira thini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 27. Now, ongirora hingo maundu maria marendereire nekio tauga Matiang'i ni project ya mundu ugwitwo Ruto. Jeremiah Kioni umuthi akiaria ni ahurire Rigathi wa Gachagua na njira nene na ne mutonete video ya Jeremiah Kioni, kindly thi hau thini wa video hau thi muigwa Jeremiah Kioni augire ati Rigathi wa Gachagua ni project ya Ruto, me hamwe na Ruto, no akiaria mirio yothe arenda Agikuyu mamene Rigathi wa Gachagua ati maigire mwena wa Ruto. Ongirora andu ta Wambugu Njiri acio ni andu aria mwena wa Ruto, that means that kwena hoteku munene muno Matiang'i ni project ya Ruto tondu andu aria arutithania nao wira ni andu a mwena wa Ruto. Angikorwo Jubilee ena nia njega ndengirahura andu ame thiini wa united opposition magirugamite na musimamo makaingia thiini wa united opposition ni kunyihia makirenyihia. Hello rugi ndenda muone that Matiang'i might still be the project of Raila Amolo Odinga. Now, tajira ya terere neke Simba Arati ni aratwara Raila kuria mwena wa Githii. Roithi ni mugite no one time, but tell me niki Simbarati ageria gutwara Raila kuria. Simbarati tame hamwe na mundu gwetwo Matiang'i. Kwene juzi last week the mutiramoni thiini wa mucemani omwe before Raila athiete kuria Githii. Simbarati ni muonire andu amufotaga politics muno me hamwe na mundu gwetwo Fred Matiang'i before igono kurai na mucemanio wa ODM. Though Raila ndathire tonetigire ndakero uhoro wa antam ni andu mari hamwe na Simbarati ugirora mena Raila hakwa niki. So kuna mundu maingi muno megwika, but all in all Matiang'i has done a big mistake politically. No reda kuyaka mwena wa politics ni areninire through kujoin Jubilee. If Matiang'i was clever na agikora serious na agikotera gutumiro agira formule kiama giake, and of which ingekuwa very possible afome kiama giake aigira nakio thiini wa United Opposition egetha hi magithi kwaria uhoro wa thirikari next aroka na kiama giake. Uhoro wa Matiang'i kurehwo guko thiini wa Mount Kenya region ni mundu ugwetwo Uhuru. It's obvious uguo Manyora arauga ati aenda guka egetha mageria kunina popularity ya mundu ugwetwo Rigathi wa Gachagua. Manyora says that Uhuru is not happy that Gachagua ne take over ta Mount Kenya kingpin, and kuringana Manyora arauga atiriri Uhuru afirine afate gukoro a kingpin. Just tell me why a retired president ashoka thiini wa politics. Tell me why niki Uhuru atastepire down ta munene wa kiama kia Jubilee anegereria Matiang'i. Because if Uhuru was serious, by the way, let's be honest with each other, agestepire down ta munene wa kiama kia Jubilee atigire Matiang'i. But now still ne munene wa kiama kia Jubilee, General Secretary ne Kioni, Jeremiah Kioni. In fact Matiang'i thiini wa Jubilee ndaina usami munene tondu kwina andu ema ya mudrive tothio ogira thiini wa Jubilee no. In fact ni agikuyu meku aiki, so ona igo meko bi kwendia kiama kia Jubilee meguka Central Kenya nigo meko bi kora Rigathi wa Gachagua. Ni agethi aigana tuonete kuri mwena wa Jubilee, ni aigana tuonete ona igo yoi ni aigana mari ku. If Matiang'i was serious na nienda muno kuko thiini wa political space, yes, and the probability ya guko a president tondu niendetwo muno ni andu. The only thing agerekire ni guka na kiama giake athi age thiini wa United Opposition na kiama giake not kia Jubilee, kiama giuko gikado. And this tells you that Jubilee is a red wheelbarrow. Kwena hotekeku Jubilee is a red wheelbarrow. Maundu macio marario mekuo because these people are the one who are fighting people in